welcome to another day in paradise. Welcome to the bus station in Dambulla. It is again 6 o'clock in the morning. Right now it is not that hot and we are about to catch a bus. We don't know which one yet because they will just pass by. You will wave, then they stop, and then you will ask if they go to your destination, which is Kandy for us. Wish us luck. Cool experience, did it before, really enjoyed it. Let's see how this goes. And then in just a matter of seconds you will yell Kandy at the bus, they will yell Kandy back, and then you just jump and throw your bags into the back of the bus and then you're in. We haven't paid yet, but I guess it might get quite cheap. Let's dive into the experience. Seats are made out of slip and slide and it is really tight, so 3 seats would normally maybe fit 2. So for the comfort it's 1 out of 5 stars. For the authenticity it will get 5 out of 5 stars because you might be one of few or the only tourist on the bus. For the price it's 5 out of 5 stars easily because it's 520 rupias for the both of us, so not even $2 for the whole ride. And yeah, that sums it up as quite a good means of transportation, I guess, if you're fine with not being too comfortable for about 1.5 or 2 hours. But there are a lot of more means of transportation in this country. Let's find them out together, join in on that ride. Click the subscribe button and also leave a like as well. See you later in Kandy. Because there are no bus stops, you can either be lucky and the ticket guy will remember where to drop you off, or there is this blue line in the back and you can pull that and then there will be a bell ringing and they know that you want to get out. Welcome to Kandy. One of the cultural highlights here is the Tooth Temple we have just been in. We stumbled into a ceremony which was really cool. There is supposed to be a tooth of the Lord Buddha in there, and then in the ceremony you can take a short glimpse of it. If you're lucky. I'm not sure if they are scheduled, maybe look that up, but it was like 9:30 when we came in and they started drumming, and then yeah, people were going in there, and then all the Buddhists came and watched it and did their offerings to the Buddha. Yeah, really cool. 2,000 rupees entrance fee. We are going to continue on and explore the city. Join on in. Let's go. After another very wild tuk-tuk drive, because Kandy actually is quite a significantly bigger town than Dambulla and all the towns that are going to follow. Now we arrived at a place of calmness, the botanical garden. You still can hear some honking and brakes yelling in the background, but yeah, it's way more calm here. Great plants to see. We are going to stroll around before we finish the day off at one or maybe two other destinations. Let's calm down a little bit. Let's go. This is quite a nice botanical garden, but I like the one in Hawaii, for example, better. And also, weather is absolutely killing me. So we might take another tuk-tuk to finish the last one or two stops, and then maybe cut Kandy short. If you want to know that, make sure to subscribe to join in on the next adventures and see if we are still here or if we move to another city. If you are around for a while, you might have heard of my fear of heights, and we are yet again putting that one to the test and using the suspension bridge in the botanical garden. The sound isn't too nice and it is quite narrow, so not too easy to get around. And yeah, now it kicks in because it's quite high or deep, or however you might want to see it. I don't want to see it at all. Now before I start crying, I might stop the video and see you later. So there is an endpoint where you have to turn around. That's why people will come in each ways and you have to squeeze between these very narrow posts. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Thanks to our mighty tuk-tuk, we made it to the Influencer Temple. I don't know if you know that one. I'm going to put the real name here. And we just made it up the hill every now and then. I was thinking, we're not gonna make it, but we did. Can't tell right here, but it is really high up, and we are going even further up. This tower lays 50 minutes tuk-tuk ride out of Kandy town, and you have to pay 2,000 rupees to get in. We also paid for the tuk-tuk 4,500 return trip. So yeah, not the cheapest one, but pretty unique. If you're around for a while, you might know that I'm afraid of heights, and tight spaces are also not my cup of tea. So yeah, that was quite a challenge to go up there, but it totally worth it. They allowed me to fly the drone, so total win for me. we are going to end the video for today, and then tomorrow I'll see you at a secret location early in the morning again, because there are more adventures to explore. Until then, enjoy life, do unique things that might challenge you so you can grow from them. See you in the next one. Yeah, make sure to hit subscribe, like if you haven't done that already. Thank you, bye bye. Peace tutti, like we say here in Sri Lanka.